Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall, the sole of your feet together, butterfly. And just relax your joints here. And when you're ready, inhale, deep exhale forward. And inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Now let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. And bend one knee and other. Do the elephant walk. And inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step between your hands. Back heel up. Lunge. Square hips. Try to feel the stretch on the hip flexor. Shoulders down, away from ears. Because now bend back, bit shorter the stance. Bend back knee and straighten front leg. Run and stretch. Flex your front toes. Sit on your hips. Sit on your heels. Now send your hips forward, pointing your toes 45-degree angle in lizard pose. And from here, circle your hips. Now palms down, step back to downward facing. Inhale, left leg up, exhale, step between. And lunge, hip square, back heel up. Press back heel against invisible wall, very strong back leg. Now palms down, sit on your heels, straighten front leg, flex your toes, inhale, exhale, round and stretch. Try to feel the stretch on the back of your leg, on hamstring. Now sending your hips forward, back heel up, forearms down, pointing your toes, 45-degree angle, raise up the pose and circle your hips. Reverse circle. Okay, down to downward facing dog. Okay, so now on your toes, heels up and walk to the top of your mat and down. And from here, right palm center and left palm straight up toward the ceiling, and try to keep your hips square. Try to look up toward your own hand. And bring your hands down as a side twist. Keep hips square. On your upper body, open and twist. And relax. Now toes, heels touch. From here, let's do chair pose, Bakasana. Squeeze your knee together, sending your tailbone down toward your heels. Keep your chest open, shoulders away from ears down. Drishti gaze forward. Now straighten your knee, forward bend. And find your way to come to lay down position on your back. And hug your knee, bend, and hold your leg and feet. And take a happy baby pose. And rock your hips to the side. And knee stretch. And bounce. And again, bend your knee, take a happy baby. And take deep inhale. Exhale. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!